Good morning, students. Myself Vinay. In this session, we are going to study about numerical based on pH. First of all, what is pH? pH is nothing but the potential of hydrogen. pH is the potential of hydrogen. That means it refers to the concentration of H plus ion in solution. Second more thing, pH is used to determine acidity, and alkalinity, or I can say basicity of the solution. Now let's see the formula of the pH. pH is negative logarithm base to 10 of H plus ion concentration, while POH, that is the potential of OH minus ion concentration, is negative logarithm base to 10 of OH minus ion concentration. Next formula, pH plus POH equals to 14. One more thing, note it down. Pure water is, since we know it is a bad conductor, the solubility product of water it is H plus and OH minus. So Kw is 10 raised to minus 14. Remember this value, Kw, that is the ionic product of water, is 10 raised to minus 14. That means H plus is 10 raised to minus 7, OH minus concentration is 10 raised to minus 7 in water. Okay, let's start with the question. Simple question. Hydrogen ion concentration in mole per liter, that is, you have to determine the concentration of H plus ion concentration in a solution whose pH is given, that is 5.4. so formula for the pH is pH equal to negative logarithm base to 10 of H plus ion concentration. So pH is given already, that is 5.4 equal to negative logarithm base to 10 of H plus ion concentration. Therefore H plus ion concentration will be anti-log of minus 5.4. so on calculation of this, we get 3.98 into 10 raised to minus 6 mole per liter. Let's see the another question. What is the pH value of n upon 10 raised to 7 KOH solution? So n upon 10 raised to 7, that is nothing but, I can write it as 10 raised to minus 7. The concentration given is 10 raised to minus 7. So pH, okay, so it is a KOH, they are asked for the pH. So for base we have to find the POH. So POH is nothing but negative log of OH minus ion concentration. So concentration value is given, that is 10 raised to minus 7. So negative log base to 10 of 10 raised to minus 7, the answer is 7. So you got the POH 7, but they are asked for the pH. So what is the formula? pH plus POH equals to 14. So pH value is given, so the pH is nothing but 14 minus 7, that is 7. The pH is 7, that is a neutral pH. Hope so you got it. For the base we have determined the pH, and from pH we have determined the pH. Let's see the next question. To a 10 ml of 10 ml of 10 raised to minus 3 normal H2SO4 solution, water has been added to make the total volume of 1 liter. Its pH would be. So in this condition they are told that we have the H2SO4 10 raised to minus 3 normal. Out of that we have taken 10 ml and we have diluted to 1 liter. Then the concentration will change. So we are going to use the formula, that is N1V1 equal to N2V2. So N1, that is already given 10 raised to minus 3. V1 we have taken 10 ml, and N2 we have to determine the volume we made is 1 liter, that is 1000 ml. So the N2 will be, on calculation, it is 10 raised to minus 5. So we got the concentration 10 raised to minus 5 of H2SO4. That means concentration of H plus ion is 10 raised to minus 5. Now you have to determine the pH. So pH is nothing but negative log base to 10 of H plus ion concentration. So negative log base to 10 raised to minus 5, and the pH value we get is 5. So the pH is 5 for the solution. Also got it. They have given a concentration. We have taken 10 ml. We have diluted to 1 liter. Then the pH will change. So we have calculated what will be the pH for the solution. Now let's see the next question. You have to determine the pH of 0.001 normal solution of KOH will be. Now, so the concentration is given, that is 10 raised to minus 4. So it is base. So first determine the pH. So pH will be negative logarithm base to 10 of OH minus ion concentration. So log base to 10 of 10 raised to minus 4. pH you get the 4. Now determining the pH. So pH plus pOH is equals to 14. Thus the pH will be 10. You got the pH. Well, substitute the value over here. You got the pH 4. Substitute the value over here. You get the pH 10. Let's see some different types of question which is asked in the JEE mains. Now, before solving this type of the question, remember that if the concentration of acid or base is given 10 raised to minus 8, 10 raised to minus 10, means more than 10 raised to minus 7, then the method of solving changes. Now see the question here. The pH of 10 raised to minus 9 molar solution of HCl in water is. Now, so in HCl this is to produce H plus and Cl minus. So they have given the concentration of H plus, that is 10 raised to minus 9. Now if we solve by the formula, basic formula, let's see a basic formula, that is pH equal to negative log base to 10 of H plus ion concentration. By this method, if you put the value, you get the answer 9, which is wrong. By the previous formula, if you put pH equal to minus negative log base to 10 of H plus ion concentration, so you get the answer 9. That is wrong. For the acid, the pH is never 9. That is pH for the base. That means there is a very different method for solving such numericals. So remember carefully, if the value of the concentration is more than 10 raised to minus 7, so use this method now. So H plus in water, now water will produce H plus and OH minus. So as you know, for the ionic product of water, H plus ion concentration is 10 raised to minus 7. Therefore, total H plus ion concentration will be 10 raised to minus 7 plus 10 raised to minus 9. That is equal to 1.01 into 10 raised to minus 7. So total H plus concentration we got it. Now use the formula. pH equals to negative logarithm based of H plus ion concentration. So negative logarithm base to 10 of 1.01 into 10 raised to minus 7. So the final answer we get is 6.99. This is the final answer. Hope so you got it. Remember it carefully. If the concentration value is given more than 10 raised to minus 7, don't use the formula directly. Solve by this method. Let us practice more question. So pH of 10 raised to minus 8. Now again, more than 10 raised to minus 7 means same method we have to follow. So I am going directly. The total H plus ion concentration will be how much? So 10 raised to minus 7, that is of water, then plus this concentration, that is 10 raised to minus 8. Solid, we get 1.1 into 10 raised to minus 7. Now use the formula, that is pH equal to negative logarithm base to 10 of H plus ion concentration. So negative 1.1 into 10 raised to minus 7. You get the final answer, that is 6.96. The pH value is 6.96. Hope so you're getting. So by the previous method, same you are calculated the total H plus concentration. So remember it, the concentration given at 10 raised to minus 7, you get the total concentration and find the formula, put the formula, basic formula, and you get the answer. Let's do for same pattern for the base. Now your base KOH. So again KOH, it will produce K plus and OH minus. The concentration is already given 10 raised to minus 8. Now again the value is greater than 10 raised to minus 7. It is 7. That means 10 raised to minus 8 is the lowest concentration. Now 10 raised to minus 8. So water will produce H plus and OH minus. The concentration over is 10 raised to minus 7. So again the total OH minus ion concentration will be 10 raised to minus 7 plus 10 raised to minus 8, that is equal to 1.1 into 10 raised to minus 7. Now this is the concentration of OH minus. So we will going to get the pH, but you have to determine the pH. That means we require the H plus ion concentration. So already we know the formula, that is Kw equal to concentration of H plus and OH minus. So what will be the H plus then? Concentration of OH minus upon Kw. So OH minus 1.1 into 10 raised to minus 7 upon Kw is 10 raised to minus 14. So the final concentration sorry now listen carefully. So Kw is equal to H plus and OH minus. Now the concentration of H plus will be Kw upon OH minus ion concentration. So Kw is nothing but 10 raised to minus 14 upon 1.1 into 10 raised to minus 7. Let's solve it. We get the answer near about 9 into 10 raised to minus 8. Okay. Now determine the pH. Now the pH will be negative logarithm base to 10 of 9 into 10 raised to minus 8. So the final answer we get is 7.04. Hope so you got it. For the base, so total OH minus 10 raised to minus 7, that is from the water, and the concentration which is given, we added it. Then use the formula Kw equal to H plus and OH minus. So H plus ion concentration, you got it. Put the value in, substitute the value in the pH formula, you get the pH 7. Hope so guys you got it. Remember carefully, if any value concentration is given 10 raised to minus 8, 10 raised to minus 9, then solve by this method. Thanks for watching the video. In the next session we are going to solve much more example.